Rani Chaudhary, KB number 1, Ichapur. I want to share my experience about online classes. I enjoyed my every classes. English, Hindi, Maths. I participated in different activities and celebrations like Atulya Ganga drawing competitions, clay modeling, art and craft, Independence Day, Republic Day, Netaji's birthday, sports, etc. All are through online classes. Thank you, ma'am.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Mona Lisa Sahu of class 2B. Online classes are like blessings for all of us in the life-threatening COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you to KBS and my teachers for the hard work they have done to make our future bright in this dark situation. I am giving all the teachers a deep respect. Thank you.
Bah, very good.
Hello everyone, this is Srijita Nath from class 2B. Now I am going to share my experiences of the online classes during COVID-19 pandemic. Every year my school reopens on the 1st of April. But the last year 2020, due to the spread of coronavirus, my school remains closed. But yet the teachers are conducting online classes for us. Every morning at 8 a.m. I attend the virtual assembly and pray with my classmates. Then virtual classes start as per timetable. After conducting online classes, the teachers assign us some work. They provide worksheet to us. I use camera and take a photocopy of my classwork and send it to our subject teachers. They send me comments. If I complete the work successfully without commenting any errors, she encourages lots. Sometimes they assign drawing, collage making, craft, models with clay, etc. I took part on online fancy dress activities such as I acted as Matangini Hazra, Gautam Buddha. I also took part on online Teachers Day committee dedicated to teachers. I participated in virtual Hindi handwriting competition and got second position. I was very happy then. My class teacher encourages me lots. The online session complete at 10 a.m. Due to online classes, I am independently doing my class activities. I can complete my class assignments at my own pace. But yet the actual classroom experiences is unique. So although I can enjoy the comfort at home, I feel lonely too. I miss my school. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and principal sir. My experience with online class is great. I get to understand the concepts very efficiently. Hence, my academic have improved. I really appreciate the entire school faculty for providing me with good educational content in every online class that I attend. My name is Shoripto Datto. I read in class 2, section B. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Suparna Mondol. I enjoy the online celebration and I have learned so many things from online classes and online activities. Overall, I love the whole experience.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम तनिष्क साव है। मैं केंद्र विद्यालय नंबर 1 ईसापुर कक्षा 2 वर्ग ब का छात्र हूँ। अभी कोविड-19 के कारण सभी विद्यालय बंद है। इस वजह से हमारे विद्यालय द्वारा कराए गए ऑनलाइन क्लास को हम ज्वाइन करते हैं। ये बिल्कुल ऑफलाइन की तरह है। इसमें सब प्लेज, थॉट, प्रेयर, राष्ट्रीय गान भी होते हैं। इसमें सभी शिक्षक बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं और इसमें अलग अलग तरीके के क्लास भी होते हैं, जैसे कि को-स्कॉलास्टिक क्लास, म्यूजिक क्लास, ड्राइंग क्लास। और इसमें जो समय समय पर होने वाले कार्यक्रम भी होते हैं, जिसमें हम बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लेते हैं। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात मैम, मेरा नाम अंकित सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 2 में पढ़ता हूँ। कोरोना महामारी के दौरान केंद्र विद्यालय ने बहुत अच्छे से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को पढ़ाया है। हमें घर पे भी रह के बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर और क्लास टीचर्स ने हमें अच्छे से पढ़ाया। हम बहुत कुछ सीखे हैं। सोशल एक्टिविटीज़, ड्राइंग कंपटीशन करके हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. Today I am Monisha Ghosh of class 2B. I am going to give a feedback on my experience of online classes. It was a bit difficult thing for us to attend online classes because it was a new thing for all of us. We had to sit hours on mobile for classes, but our teachers cooperated and made the passage easier. Thank you.
I am Yashika Gosai of class 2B. I really like online classes so much. Google Class is very helpful in this critical situation. Thanks to all teachers for their hard effort, but really I miss my school, my classroom, teacher friend and all the activities of school like drawing, playing, teaching, etc. I thought we all overcome from this critical situation shortly. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Kushal Ram. I read in class 2B of KB number 1 Ishapur. I would like to thank all the teachers, Srilopa ma'am, Ankita ma'am, Seema ma'am, Sandeep sir, for their incredible effort for online classes. We have done many activities in post-scholastic classes like clay modeling, collage making and doodle arts. I Gandhi Jayanti, Grandparents' Day, Teachers' Day. Without our teachers' effort, online class were impossible. I am very much satisfied of online classes. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Shwanish Kosh. I read in class 2B. I have made all this craft and drawings in online classes. I am really enjoying online classes and I have get a certificate in Atulya Ganga competition. Thank you.
My name is Obashikta Mollik. I read in class 2B KV number 1 Ichhapur. I love my online classes through Google Classroom because teacher shows us interesting videos during the classes. Teachers also shares videos on stories which help me in improving my pronunciation. Teachers also shares different types of art in Scholastic classes which are very nice to do. Thank you.